Wow, what a way to finish the week's worth of trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average only up 20 points on the overall daily candle. But look at where we have just closed. We're very close to the all-time highs, which we established in early March 2015. Yes, it has taken some time. It's taken approximately 2.5 months to revisit this same level earlier in 2015. And I'm sure the question on a lot of traders' minds right now is that, are we establishing a legitimate breakout to the upside, not only on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but also on the S&P 500 and also on the NASDAQ? That is what I've just walked through in the pro analysis recording for this weekend. It is a very important question because we are at a very critical resistance level. We're at a very important pivot point. And there's a few different ways that this market can operate and move over the next really 2 weeks is really the time frame which we're sort of looking at on these particular markets. Very interesting. I love it when we are at pivot points. It sets up a lot of amazing individual trade opportunities, a lot of bi-directional trade setups for the week ahead. What I'll do at this particular moment in time is just address some of the trades which we've been fortunate enough to take advantage of, during the past week at least. What I'll do, I'll start with Tesla and Netflix because these have been really the best trades of the week, and it's no surprise at all. I even started the recording last week from the bottom and made my way up the top just because these two particular stocks right here were just standout types of trades. Tesla was a very nice trade. We had an entry here at 243.63. Now on the Wednesday, we saw a little bit of a dark cloud cover and then a hangman type of candle, but we've really resumed the upward type of breakout. So you can see right now we're trading at 248.84. We've made about $5.20 on this bullish breakout of Tesla. You know, my first target on this particular trade, it's all the way up here at about $260 a share. So we have a really nice profit target, still $11 away. So if this trade works out, it is going to be, about a $16 profit on this particular Tesla trade, which we spoke about last weekend. I have got a very important update on that particular stock, which I've just walked through in this week's pro analysis class. Outside of Tesla, obviously the other amazing trade from last week was the Netflix type of continuation. We've been stalking this trade ever since earnings. I mean, if you didn't get in on the earnings candle, that's fine. It's taken about 3 weeks of sideways market action for the next bullish trade to present itself. I'm very happy and very proud to sit down and just go through this trade with you right now. Our first entry was 581.90. Now that actually occurred on the Monday. Let me zoom back in just so you can see this in better detail because it's very, very important. Let me zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. There we go. Hope this is crystal clear for you. Very nice entry at 581.90. Now, what I spoke about during the week was that, yes, it's unfortunate that it pulls back, but it really established what we call a bull flag, very similar to that of Tesla, which is starting to play out as at Friday's close. So we had our stop down here at 574.10. Had a very nice 3-day sort of holding candlestick pattern type of formation. And then today on Friday's candle, look at this. We are up $26.40. That is on top of the 581 entry right here. So we got in at 581.19. Here we are at 613. You can do the maths, or someone can do the maths at least, someone who's smarter than me. That's about a $30 move as at the close on Friday. I mean, this is incredible. These two trades in and of themselves have resulted in a lot of profit. Tesla and Netflix, they don't happen all of the time, but when the market gives you these opportunities or these trade setups, you really need to, count your blessings at least, because we're very fortunate enough to take, the opportunity when it presents itself. We had a re-entry here at 594.67. This is something which I didn't take. I just had simply the 581.90 breakout trade, personally speaking. But I know a lot of people took the trade at this level here. They were entered in at about $604 a share. They still made close to $10 on the daily candle on Friday alone. You can go back and have a look through the back catalog. This was market updates, which I put out on the Wednesday afternoon, I do believe. Outside of those two major stocks, they were the major players. Now, I understand we had the Facebook trade as well. We had a short entry at 76.92. It moved against us on the Wednesday. Very good opportunity to place your stop above Wednesday's candle or above at least these two candlesticks right here. It would have resulted in a losing trade. That's okay because the Netflix and the Tesla trade definitely made up for the losing trade on Facebook this week. Outside of that, there are a lot of amazing trades still presenting themselves. I mean, we've got Apple, Amazon, Boeing Airlines looks incredible also. A really nice little trade there. GoPro, Goldman Sachs is still really good trades, which are, again, forming. They're almost at that critical point where we can legitimately set up trade opportunities. I'm very excited for the week ahead based on what the markets are doing as well. I want you to be intelligent in regards to where the markets stand. We are on a knife's edge. We can break out, or we could see a false breakout to the upside, which I went through in great detail throughout pro this week. So I'd encourage you to have a look at that analysis class. One other notable stock, which I will reference right now, is Baidu, because this is simply sort of mellowing out at this particular location. Entry was 192.65. This was going back a week ago. Here we are at 192.98. So we are down about 30 cents on this trade. We have been in profit as well over the past 4 trading sessions. But right now, given what the market's doing, it's at least a very smart time to be placing a stop in this trade. Again, I'll update you, and I have updated you in that pro analysis class this weekend. If you are wanting to learn about technical analysis, how all this flows together, and to take opportunity and to take advantage of, trades such as Tesla and Netflix, which a lot of people did this week, have a look at Pro. It's a fantastic analysis and educational resource for a lot of traders all around the world who sign in and have a look at that class each and every week, forward looking for the upcoming week worth of trading. I'll leave it at that. I am going to enjoy myself this weekend. Have a great weekend, everyone else around the world. If you have any questions, email me as always, success@pivotpoint-trading.com, or schedule a call with me. I have been very, very busy in regards to just general inquiries coming through. So it's been hard to schedule calls, within 48 hours. So I have had to push those out a little bit, but don't worry, I will get around to you as soon as I can. All right. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great weekend.